So this is a 2010 Infiniti EX35 with a green screen when you put it in reverse. So let's see here. Yep. Green screen everywhere. So to fix that, I gotta replace the camera control unit, which is under the seat, the front seat. Gotta take the seat out, at least move it back. So gotta take the 4 bolts off. I already untightened them, I just take them out. Both sides. So on the back part of the seat, again, take these plastic covers off. And untighten them. So take them off. Both of them. And this is what the camera control unit looks like. It's OEM Nissan. The 2 connectors there. I got this from the junkyard, so they marked it with yellow paint so that you don't mess with it. So yeah, that's what it looks like. So also got to take this trim part off. Yep, just like that. And then the seat kind of moves back. And then you have access under the carpet. There's 4 bolts. And then, yeah, we'll see how it goes. Remember to disconnect the negative on the battery before you do any electrical. So now just kind of have to lift the carpet somehow. Maybe put some kind of wedges or something there. This is kind of a pain. It's really tight in there. Of course, one-handed, it's even harder. Get to the 4 bolts somehow. Oh, got 1 bolt off. It was the hardest one. It was the furthest one away. 3 more to go. Alright, bolt number 2. Much easier, much faster. 2 more to go. This is kind of my setup. The seat is all the way loose. It's really a pain. It's really tight. I put like a piece of wood there to kind of keep the carpet up like a wedge. But yeah, it's kind of working slowly. Alright. Bolt number 3. 1 more. It's this one here. I got that one out and I got those other 2 out, so just need that one. Finally the 4th. Oh man, this is quite the job. Okay, let's see if I can get it out now. Well, finally got it out. Wowzers. That's the model number. What a pain. I had to take the whole seat out. Alright, got the old one out and the new one in. Let's see now if it fixed the green screen. Alright, moment of truth. works. Very nice. That's the front camera. Cool. Let's see, reverse. Oh, nice. It works. All right. Well, I guess success. Nice. Thanks for watching.